Shettima, elimination method, eliminate x and solve for y.
In substitution, x replaces y.
Yeah, hi Shettima. Simultaneous equations. These are equations or set of equations that have multiple variables and are solved together. What is a variable? Variable changes. The variables are those values that can change a normal variable. For instance, 2x, 3y. So this value depends on whatever x is. If x is 1, it changes to, it's 2 times 1, 2. If x is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. If x is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. So these are variables. Then you have a constant. A constant does not change in a simultaneous equation. So you have the variables and you have the constant. Take note that for every variable has a coefficient. Now in 2x, the coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient is that number that multiplies another number. So this is the coefficient. 2x plus 3y equals 7. X minus 2y equals 3. Now there are two methods. You have the substitution method, you have elimination method. In elimination method, you look for any number that will multiply through all the equations in every value in equation 1 and equation 2. Why do you need to look for two values? The essence of that is to ensure that you get the same value either for this part or for this part. Because when you get the same value, you can subtract them and you eliminate, and you'll be left with this point. What do we mean? I'm quite sure that if I multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3, I know that by the time this multiplies 2, you get 2 times 3y, you get 6y. Here, 3 times minus 2y, you get minus 6y. So when you add the both equations, it will help you eliminate this part because they're going to give you the same. This is going to be a 6y. This is also going to be a 6y. Same thing for x. If you want to use another value and eliminate x, you could decide to use 1 and 2. That's if it's x. So that you say, by the time you say 2 times x, you get 2x. 1 times 2x, you get 2x. But let's go with eliminating the y. So 2 times this gives you 6y and 3 times minus 2y gives you a 6y. So let's multiply everything. 2 times 2x is 4x. Plus 2 times 3y, 6y equals to 2 times 7 is 14. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 2y is minus 6y equals 3 times minus 3, we get a minus 9. Adding both equations, you got this plus this, you get 7x plus 6y minus 6y, or plus 6y plus minus 6y is plus 6 minus 6. So this is eliminated, is 0 here. So equals to is here, and 14 plus minus 9, of course, plus and minus is minus. 14 take away 9 gives you a 5. Since you have 7x equals to 5. Of course, you want x to remain. You divide both sides by 7. Okay, so since I have to allow x to remain, divide both sides by 7. What you get here is divide both sides by 7. 7 cancels 7. X equals to 5 all over 7. So our value for x is 5 over 7. Now that we've got 5 over 7, let's substitute x for 5 over 7 in this equation. Notice it's 2x plus 3y equals 7. So we're going to put x as 5 over 7. So since this is what we get, because x is 5 over 7, 2 times 5 is 10, that's 10 over 7 plus 3y equals 7. Since this is what we get, this has to move to the other side of the equation so that we'll leave 3y alone. So we've got 3y equals 7 minus 10 over 7. So what we do here, we'll find the LCM of 1 and 7. 7 is 1 times 10, 70 minus 49. Because 7 divided by 1 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 minus, 7 times 7 is 1. 1 times 10 is 10. So minus 10. Not 70. 7 divided by 7 is 1. And 1 times 10 is 10. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 10 is 10. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 10 is 10. Not 70. So this is 10. 49 minus 10. So 3y equals to... Because we want y to remain, we divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3. Of course, when 3 divides by 3, it tries off. Y equals to 37 over 9 divided by 3. Of course, you know that that's 39 over 7 times 1 over 3. And what do you get? Multiplying this, you get 21. So y equals 39 over 21. Of course, we can break this further because 3 in 21 is 7. 3 in 39 is 13. So y equals to 13 over 7. We could have equally or decided to do 3 here 1, 3 here 13. It's all the same thing. So while your x equals to 5 over 7, your y equals to 13 over 7. So that's all for now. Shettima Tutors, catch you at the top.
Shettima, elimination method. Eliminate x and solve for y.
In substitution, x replaces y.
Flawless victory, Shettima Stars.